The battle is ugly, it's messy, it probably shows maybe Italy at some points at its worst. What are investors telling you? Do they want a change of plan? Because there's a general sense that Generali could do better.
Well, thank you for your congratulations, Francine. No, today is a beautiful sunny day in Venice, and we are very happy to celebrate our 190th anniversary. It's very important to us. No, I would say everything is fine. We disclosed our strategic plan on December 15th last year. We didn't change our plan since this time because the market, the investors whom I've been meeting in the past few weeks did fully understand our plan. They like our plan, they understand it. You know, it's a very ambitious plan. In the same time, it's a very credible plan. And thanks to this plan, which will create value for all stakeholders, we will be able to guarantee a strong and growing dividend every year.
Yeah. Monsieur Donnet, when you look at your challengers and listen to your challengers, and we had one yesterday on Bloomberg TV, they say that maybe your plan is credible, but it's not ambitious enough. They want more investment in fintech. They want exiting of key markets with a possible looking at, at doing an M&A deal. Would you take this on board? Are there things that you will change in your plan if you stay chief executive?
Once again, our plan is very ambitious. When you look at our target of earning per share growth, it's the most ambitious of the industry. And in the same time, it's very credible because we explain how we're going to achieve these very ambitious targets. So definitely, we are not going to change our plan. It's a good plan. It's the best possible plan for Generali. Our investors fully understand this. We are not going to change it. And by the way, I'm not going to comment their so-called plan, which seems to be changing every day because it seems that investors find it difficult to really understand it.
Do you think you will win this? Is it a 50-50 chance on who wins, or do you think your chances are much higher?
I'm not focused on that. I'm focused on, together with my team, with the whole management team of Generali, we are really focused on implementing this plan since the first day of the year. Because what we know is that as it's an ambitious plan, as the conditions, as always, are very challenging, if we are not fully focused on the execution of the plan, we will not achieve the targets. And this is what matters. So I'm not trying to understand who is going to win. First of all, I'm very confident, and then whatever the result is, the choice of the investors, of the shareholders, is what matters.
Monsieur Donnet, you also fired Mr. Tarina as he was working for Generali, I think for many years, but is now a challenger chief executive. Why that decision?
The decision has been taken by the board of directors. We will all agreed on this. I think that it's natural. It's a natural decision that all shareholders and investors understand.
Monsieur Donnet, how will this battle, which a lot of international investors are also trying to get their way around or their head around it, do you think it will change you personally as a chief executive on how you will lead the group? On you've had to fight essentially for the last 3 to 4 months.
I think this is not a war. This is not a battle. And it's not going to change me once again. We know we have a good plan. Together with my team, we will execute once again very successfully a very ambitious plan. So we are not going to change. I think what's important to help investors and shareholders to make their choice is to tell them that they have to choose between 2 projects. One of them is a plan, an ambitious and credible one, with the management team with a strong track record and with an independent board of directors. This is a very important step forward in the governance of Generali. We will have a majority of independent board members. Our chairman will not be an executive chairman, but an independent chairman. So we have a good plan, a management team with a strong track record, a very good list for the next board of directors. We are very confident that everybody will be convinced about this project.
Monsieur Donnet, tell me a little bit about what you see the future of insurance in general in Europe. Do you think there'll be a lot more consolidation? Are we going to see more M&A, and would it be cross-border?
I think that exactly as I said a few years ago, it's all about aggregation more than consolidation. Consolidation can destroy value. Aggregation, exactly as what we did in the past few years, is something that can create a lot of value. In Europe, we have about 4,000 insurance companies. Many of them are small and medium, and it's very difficult, very challenging for them to face all the challenges, for example, the investment in the digital technology, the asset management. And I think exactly like we did in Italy with Cattolica, it's better to join forces with small and medium insurance company. And doing this, we can create a lot of value.